kasama niya ang idol niya. Ashley, I know you love Jessica style. So we have, ito na, meron kami fashion challenge para sa'yo. We have a few items here, nandiyan nakita nyo. And we have these items, fashion accessories, and we're giving you 2 minutes to come up with an outfit for Ashley. Handa ka na ba? Are you ready for this fashion challenge? Jessica? Ashley, are you ready for this? Ayun, the fashion challenge starts right now. Go!
Oh my gosh.
Yes, why? We're gonna go on a duet on Jessica Sanchez and Ashley duet. If she were to be on stage with you, di ba? Yes. Ayan.
It's like, it's classy, but it's like, you know.
Ayan, so ito na. Let's wear it now. Like what Jessica said, you have to have killer shoes.
Yeah.
Whatever outfit you're wearing, you have to have killer shoes to complement your style statement. Pinch yourself. Jessica, it's not funny. Oh, no, you with each other. Oh. Okay, let's have a group hug. Oh. Jessica, explain Ashley's look.
Like I said, it's more like a classier, like, I'm a woman kind of look. Nothing like too sexy, nothing too out there. You have like the, the simple heels and everything, and then I think this is cool because it's just out there. It's different from like regular pants, and then little ruffles over here. And like I said, you don't want too much slack, so the earrings, you can have like a little bit of it, and then like the neutral.
And of course, she's wearing a very simple black top, but she's wearing like animal print, like zebra pants. Okay, so ito, Jessica, of course we have people love you for your performance, for your singing, and now style. Give us some style rules. Jessica Sanchez style rules.
One tip I would give everybody is tucking in your shirt is always one big thing. It's like a cleaning look sometimes because you don't want this to be like hanging out and just being like floppy everywhere. It's more of like a clean, like fresh kind of look.
Okay, and of course she is fresh. Actually, what is your message para sa iyong idolo na si Jessica Sanchez na kasama mo, harap-harap mo, pinch yourself, you're awake. This is reality.
Oh my gosh, I'm speechless actually, but I love you so much. I love you. Yeah. Oh my God, every day I was like, oh my God, I don't know what to say. I love you, that's all I know. I love you so much. Thank you.
Actually, na-feel ko talaga yung pagkasaya ni Ashley. I'm getting goosebumps listening because I'm beside Ashley and Jessica. And because Jessica, that's how you have inspired Filipinos. Whenever you go up on stage, we feel that it's you, it's us there with you on stage. And your victory is our victory also. So, mabuhay ka. Maraming salamat, Miss Jessica Sanchez.
Please? Can you please greet my friends? Chris May and Paula and Blue Jays PH group. We love you so much. And like Chris May? Chris May, Paula, and Jays PH. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support. And for my very supportive friends, the Avengers. We call ourselves our Avengers because I love you guys.
Avengers
You really
of
support me.
America.
I am Captain America. Oh, you very supportive.
Jessica, what is your message to your Filipino fans out there who are watching Flashbook right now?
Thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and like you said, sometimes it's about the way that you look, and I encourage you to go out there and dress the way that you want, whether it's like wacky or like stylish or whatever. I mean, just be you. So yeah, and thank you guys for all the support. I love you guys so much.
This is for you. Here you go. Thank you so much, Miss Jessica. Again, let's give a group hug. Mabuhay group hug, Miss Jessica Sanchez. Dito lang sa Flashbook.
Susunod sa Flashbook.